Hello there, welcome to my channel and welcome to Missy's Kitchen, PEI. And I am so happy to have you here today. I'm happy to be in the kitchen cooking or baking in this sense. I am doing a recipe from Miss Lori of Whippoorwill Hollow, and she's on YouTube, and I've been watching her for so long. And the other night when I saw her making pumpkin bread in cans, coffee cans or vegetable cans, in my case it's going to be vegetable cans, I knew that I just had to show you how to make this. And so let's just get to and get right to the recipe. Okay, so we have our dry ingredients already in the bowl. So we have flour, pumpkin pie spice, we have cinnamon, we have baking powder, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. And I'm just going to give that a stir. So everything's incorporated. There we go. I'm just going to set that off to the side. And we're going to work on our wet ingredients. So I have 3 cups of sugar here. And then I have a cup of oil. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that up. And then we're going to add our pumpkin in. Now you want the pure pumpkin, you don't want the pumpkin pie filling. Is that a good mix? I cannot wait to bake these in cans. I'm so excited. I remember cakes or loaves in cans when I was a child, and I thought it was so cool. Okay, so I have 4 eggs that are just lightly beaten. I'll put those in. And we'll just mix that together. You want to make sure your oven is on 350 and that you have some cans that are sprayed. So you don't want anything sticking to them. So I put Pam in mine. Okay. So we're going to add this to our dry ingredients. Oh, it does smell good. I love pumpkin. We're just going to fold that in. Oh, it's such a beautiful color. Make sure all your flour is incorporated. That flour hiding at the bottom, make sure you get it. Okay, now I'm going to add about a cup of walnuts and about a cup of chocolate chips. You can use any chocolate chips you want. I'm using semi-sweet. Give that a good stir. Make sure they're well incorporated. And that's what it should look like when you're finished mixing. And now we'll get our cans and fill them about half full. Okay, so my bad, I forgot to add a half a cup of water, so I'm putting that in now. You don't want to forget that. And I'll just give that another stir. I would have been devastated if I had forgotten an ingredient. Make sure you get that mixed in well. And you really do want to put that in with your wet ingredients if you can. Okay. I've got my tins ready here, my cans, and we are going to fill them about half full. This brings back memories for sure. And the reason we're only filling them half full is we don't want them to overflow in the oven. It looks like we'll have lots left over. A little more in this can. So like I said, make sure your oven is on 350, and these are going to cook from anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. Everyone's oven is different, so just keep your eye on them. And here they are. And I filled them a little bit more than half full. And like I said, that should be okay. So 350 for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And we'll see you back when they're done. So I've decided to go ahead and use the rest of the batter to fill my loaf pan. I mean, I don't want to waste it. And I'm giving all of these cakes away, except for the one that I taste. So I'll give this loaf away as well. That's about half full, I guess. Okay. And we'll bake this at 350 for an hour also. Well, 45 minutes to an hour. We'll see you back then. So here we go. Our pumpkin bread is out of the oven and cooled. And I have just put one in a little cookie bag that I got from Dollarama. And it just looks so cute. Got the little bow there. And I left one in the can. They came out super easy. Like I said, I had enough to make a loaf. And it is spectacular. I just think this was so much fun. And thank you, Miss Lori, for showing this on your YouTube. And let's get into it. We'll just give this a little slice. Oh, it slices so well. Oh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Yes. You could put butter on this. I think right now I'm just going to go ahead and have a taste. Here we go. This is so good. It's super moist. I love the chocolate chips. I love the nuts in it. It just is so, so good. Please try this at home. It's so much fun to do them in the cans. It's just something different. It's something very out of the box, and I love it. I'm gonna have to give this away tonight, or I'm gonna eat all of it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now.